wish to raise on a point of information, just to notify the honorable members of the great county of Nyamira that there is a statement and a letter that has been done by the Honorable Peter Gichana Otachi, the MCA from Nyamira Ward, to the Chief Officer, Department of Finance, ICT and Economic Planning over the illegal, the title of the letter, Mr. Speaker, sir, is titled Illegal Encroachment by Nyamira County onto Tinga Market, presently within Kisii County, which, Mr. Speaker, sir, I believe that Tinga Market lies in the ward of the Honorable Charles Kiganda. Mr. Speaker, sir, in the point of information to the members, so I wish to request that our Department of Lands, the County Attorney's Office, and His Excellency the Governor Amos Nyaribo, that they move with speed to also make an inquiry, Mr. Speaker, sir, on various lands in Nyamira County, including Jogo in Kisii Town, including the Agricultural Training College, Mr. Speaker, sir, and even Kisii Bottlers, Mr. Speaker, sir, and including the headquarters of the Kisii County Assembly that are located in Nyamira County, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish that you guide that the same that the county government of Nyamira takes, led by His Excellency the Governor, the County Attorney, and the Department of Lands, that they act very fast to ensure that not an inch of Nyamira County is taken by any neighboring county. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, and defend yourself, and now request that the committee, the lands, you want it to be a committee of whole house, and direct the Department of Lands to liaise with Honorable Emmanuel Nyambega Gisesa to identify all sites of Nyamira that are in contention with our neighboring brothers Kisii County, so that we can proceed, even the Assembly can proceed a legal process to reclaim what belongs to Nyamira. I will ask the Committee on Lands to work on those areas in consultation with all members of the House, and especially Tinga Market, which belongs to Manga Ward, not even Bosamaro Ward. For your information, it belongs in the territories of Manga Ward, but because we are Nyamiran brothers don't fight, we allow it to be identified as an area or a region of Bosamaro Ward. And Honorable Charles Kiganda can confirm that.
Thank you. Mr. Speaker, it's not even on Tinga Market, it's also Tinga Hospital, Mr. Speaker, too.
Yes, that land is in Manga Ward.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, because some advisory mentioned. And the Honorable Speaker, it could not be proper that the issue has been introduced by the Honorable Gisesa and the people of Samaro. If they noticed that I, being the member from that ward and in charge of that jurisdiction of Tinga, Honorable Speaker, if I don't defend that, it will be malicious. Honorable Speaker, and we have been crying especially for this issue for many years. Even the first time, Honorable Speaker, you can remember, for the laxity in this county, that the encroachment of land, now it has come to the wards. And I'm seeing the Kisii people, Honorable Speaker, very soon coming to Sironga Industrial Park. They reclaim that industrial park. It is because of the services, Honorable Speaker. They even claim the citizens of Nyamira. Let's move with speedy so that we save our county, Honorable Speaker. And I'll join the Governor and the Department of Lands. And I'm arranging now from next week, Honorable Speaker, demonstrations in the ward, especially in Tinga area, to ensure that it's better it goes to Manga rather than going to Kisii, but let it remain in Bosamaro. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Charles Kagana. Make sure before you riot, you leave a document for the Assembly to work on. So, Honorable Members, let's work on that with speed also. I remind you, we need extra municipalities. So, you should work on Nyamira North and also Manga sub-county. We need to have municipalities, and Honorable Nyambega Gisesa can tell you the benefits of having a municipality around honorable members. That's the only way we can grow our income and also welcome financiers and grants. So the the Committee on Land, together with the whole House honorable members, consult widely, and there is a lot for us to do so that we can move Nyamira to greater heights. Thank you for the same. So, Honorable Nyambega Gisesa, direct before we go to the recess, you come up with a schedule before Thursday, which will be the 26th, and table that before this House, and when honorable members will be going for the short recess, you will have an opportunity somewhere, even at the coast, to deliberate on such great matters of importance to this great county. Thank you. Honorable Gisesa.
Most obliged, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you. Honorable Samuel Ogeto.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I wanted to request that Tinga touches Manga, Magombo, and Bosamaro. So I am requesting that the three of us to join Honorable Gisesa so that we work as a team and give a report to this House.
Thank you. You are all enjoined to deliver that. But purely the land belongs to Manga Ward, and I can say that because I've represented that region, and Honorable Charles Kaganda can bear witness. Honorable Mindariech.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. And I want to thank Honorable Gisesa for coming up with this issue. Mr. Speaker, I think without giving statements that can be construed to mean anything, I'm not very sure why they have picked on Tinga. Is it because they have seen Honorable Kaganda cannot fight? Is it because they have seen that Kaganda as a Christian cannot fight? And is it because they are trying to run away from my friend Honorable Gisesa, who showed them dust in Keroka? Now they want to look for a soft landing. And as you correctly observed, Tinga lies between Bosamaro, Magombo, and the Manga wards. So it's good that you've directed that we join hands, the three of us, so that we counter the aggression that is coming from Kisii County. And who knows, probably they even want to come and claim the whole county, including our governor, and which we are not ready to. We are not ready to, because for a very long time they have been suggesting that we amalgamate Nyamira County with the Kisii County, but that's not the approach, and we are not ready. We are not ceding an inch of our territory to any neighbor, any quarter. And as an assembly and as elected leaders, we are going to stand for our people, and not even an inch can be exercised from the rightful territory of Nyamira County. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you very much. And our brothers from Kisii are very smart. They are targeting revenue collection centers. You know, a cow there on revenue and poultry, or those birds, goats, and every animal that goes there. On the 2 days of the week, they take. They are giving us some good own source revenue. So Kisii is targeting that. It was targeting Keroka, and you can see the brutality from our brothers. Thank you. Next order.
Motion, thank you.